Today, we're diving into a topic that every traveler needs to consider before hitting the road or taking to the skies: luggage. But not just any luggage. We're talking about the kind that promises convenience but delivers frustration. We've all been there, lugging around a suitcase that seems to be plotting against us at every turn. Did you know that a significant number of travel mishaps are related to luggage failures? From broken zippers to wheels that give up ghost mid-transit, these issues can turn a dream vacation into a nightmare. Today, we're exposing 15 bad luggage features that'll drive you crazy while traveling. These are the pitfalls you should avoid at all costs when buying your next bag. We'll uncover how these seemingly minor inconveniences can have major repercussions, and share tips on features that genuinely matter in travel gear. Stay tuned as we kick things off with one of the most common yet overlooked culprits: cheap zipper construction. You won't believe how a small component like a zipper can make or break your travel experience. Chapter 1: Cheap zipper construction. When you're racing through the airport, the last thing you want is a zipper that sticks or, even worse, breaks. Yet, this is a common issue with many budget luggage options. A study found that zipper malfunctions are among the top 3 complaints travelers have about their luggage. Imagine pulling on a zipper only to have it come off in your hand, leaving your belongings exposed. Reliable brands use zippers from trusted manufacturers like YKK, known for durability and resistance to wear under stress. Opting for a bag with high-quality zippers might cost a bit more upfront, but it's an investment in peace of mind. Chapter 2: Inadequate wheels. Wheels might seem like a small component, but they're crucial for smooth travel. Inferior wheels can turn a convenient suitcase into a cumbersome burden. Most high-quality suitcases use 4 multi-directional spinner wheels that can handle a 360-degree rotation, offering excellent maneuverability. However, some cheaper models still use outdated roller wheels that only move back and forth. A survey of frequent travelers revealed that over 60% have experienced wheel failure on the road. This not only disrupts your trip but also often results in the need for emergency replacements, adding unplanned expenses. Chapter 3: Non-water resistant materials. Your luggage is supposed to protect your belongings from all elements, including water. However, not all luggage is created equal when it comes to material quality. Non-water resistant materials can soak through, damaging electronics and clothing inside. Imagine getting caught in a rainstorm and finding out your clothes and gadgets are soaked because your bag couldn't hold up. According to travel insurance data, water damage accounts for about 20% of all luggage-related claims. Look for luggage that specifies water-resistant or waterproof materials to avoid such mishaps. Chapter 4: Excessive weight. When it comes to luggage, every pound matters, especially with the strict baggage allowances imposed by airlines. Some luggage options might appear sturdy and durable but come at the cost of excessive weight. A heavy bag consumes a significant portion of your weight limit before you even pack a single item. For instance, while the average weight limit for a checked bag is around 50 pounds, some hard-shell suitcases can weigh up to 12 pounds empty. This doesn't leave much room for your belongings if you're trying to avoid overweight fees, which can be steep, sometimes as much as $100 per extra pound. Chapter 5: Lack of compartments. Organization is key in travel. A suitcase without adequate compartments can turn into a chaotic mess, where everything from socks to souvenirs is jumbled together. A survey among business travelers shows that 75% consider organizational features, like compartments and pockets, essential for travel efficiency. The right kind of compartmentalization not only helps in keeping things tidy but also makes it easier to pack and unpack, and more importantly, to find what you need without upending your entire suitcase. High-quality bags often feature segmented areas, mesh dividers, and dedicated pockets for electronics, which can drastically improve your travel experience. Chapter 6: Weak handles. A handle breaking when you're trying to navigate through a crowded airport can be a nightmare. Yet, this is a common issue with poorly made luggage. Handles need to be both comfortable and sturdy. They should be able to withstand the full weight of a packed suitcase without wobbling or breaking. Research indicates that handle failures are responsible for over 30% of luggage malfunctions during travel. Reinforced handles, which are often integrated into more premium luggage models, use materials like aluminum and are tested for strength and durability, ensuring they can handle the rigors of modern travel. Chapter 7: Oversized dimensions. Navigating luggage size and airline requirements can be tricky. Oversized luggage not only costs more at check-in but also creates a hassle during your journey. Many travelers don't realize their suitcase exceeds industry standard dimensions until they're faced with hefty fees at the airport. Airlines generally allow a carry-on bag size of up to 45 inches, length plus width plus height combined, but many oversized bags marketed as carry-ons can lead you into a costly mistake. It's estimated that travelers spend over $3 billion annually on unexpected baggage fees. Always check the dimensions of your luggage against your airline's requirements before flying to avoid these unnecessary expenses. Chapter 8. No TSA locks. Security is a major concern when traveling, and having TSA-approved locks on your luggage is crucial. These locks provide security against theft while allowing TSA agents to inspect your bags without damaging them. Bags without these locks may be forced open if selected for inspection, resulting in damage or a broken lock. Statistics show that around 10% of travelers have had their luggage tampered with during flights. Investing in luggage with built-in TSA locks can provide peace of mind and save you from potential loss or damage to your belongings and your suitcase. Chapter 9. Hard-to-clean materials. Maintaining a clean and presentable suitcase is important, especially for frequent travelers. Luggage that features hard-to-clean materials can become a breeding ground for dirt and bacteria. Fabrics that trap odors and stains not only look unprofessional but can also retain moisture and encourage mold growth if not properly cleaned. Travel experts recommend choosing luggage with smooth, easy-to-wipe materials that resist dirt and stains. Moreover, about 20% of luggage items could carry pathogens due to unclean surfaces. Opting for materials like polycarbonate can make cleaning your luggage simpler and more effective, ensuring it remains hygienic and in good condition over time. Chapter 10. Bad stitching. Stitching might seem like a small detail, but it plays a crucial role in the durability of your luggage. Poor stitching can unravel, leading to seams splitting open and the potential loss of your possessions. Quality luggage is characterized by uniform, tight stitching that holds up under stress and frequent use. Travel gear experts suggest inspecting the stitching closely when purchasing new luggage, looking for double or reinforced stitching at key stress points. A report by a consumer protection agency found that about 25% of luggage failures were due to stitching coming undone. By choosing luggage with superior stitching, you ensure longer-lasting wear and better value for your investment. Chapter 11. Unstable structure. An unstable suitcase can make navigating through airports a frustrating experience. Bags that don't stand upright or tip over easily can cause unnecessary delays and protect your items poorly. Stability in luggage is often determined by a well-designed wheel and handle system, along with a balanced distribution of pockets and compartments. Consumer surveys indicate that instability is one of the top 5 reasons for dissatisfaction with luggage. It's worth testing how the suitcase stands on its own and with various loads before making a purchase to ensure it won't let you down during your travels. Chapter 12. Loud colors and patterns. While brightly colored and patterned luggage can be easy to spot on a baggage carousel, they can also show dirt and signs of wear more readily than more subdued colors. Frequent travelers often prefer neutral or dark-colored luggage because it maintains a professional look longer and requires less maintenance in appearance. A travel industry report highlighted that bags with lighter or very bright colors tend to look older and more worn after just a few trips. Moreover, unusual patterns may fade or peel, detracting from the bag's overall aesthetics. Opting for classic colors like black, navy, or gray can keep your luggage looking new and elegant for years. Chapter 13. Poor accessibility. One of the most frustrating experiences while traveling can be struggling to quickly access items you need from your luggage. Suitcases with poor accessibility often have cumbersome layouts or tight zippers that make it difficult to open and retrieve items swiftly. This can be particularly inconvenient in tight spaces like airplane cabins or busy airport terminals. Accessibility is not just about opening your suitcase, but also about how well you can manage to find and reach for different items without having to unpack everything. Travel experts recommend choosing luggage with thoughtfully designed front pockets, multiple access points, and intuitive internal organization, which can reduce travel stress significantly. Chapter 14. Non-collapsible designs. Storage space is a premium in most homes, and having non-collapsible luggage can take up unnecessary room. While traditional hard-shell suitcases provide great protection for your items, they can be a problem when it comes to storing them at home. In contrast, soft-shell luggage often features some degree of flexibility, allowing you to squeeze them into tighter spaces when not in use. According to a survey of urban travelers, over 40% consider storage efficiency a key factor when selecting luggage. Modern luggage designs now often incorporate more flexible materials that can expand when in use and compact down for easy storage. Chapter 15. Overpriced features. Finally, it's important to beware of luggage that includes features that sound innovative but do not actually add real value. For example, built-in digital scales, electronic tags, and USB charging ports can drive up costs significantly, while the practicality and durability of these features can vary widely. Industry analyses suggest that while certain tech features can offer convenience, they often do not justify their high prices, especially if they compromise the essential qualities of durability and usability. Smart shopping involves weighing the true utility of these features against their added cost to ensure you're not paying extra for gimmicks you rarely use.